Hi, Tim Biggam back again on election eve here, or election day eve, so to speak. And markets really on hold. We saw very light volume yesterday, certainly some light volume today. People looking to square their positions up, not too many new positions put on in front of what seems to be still a tight election, although the odds are certainly favoring Obama if you look at InTrade or some of the other services out there. Looking at stocks that would probably benefit from an Obama victory, certainly any of the kind of gold and, weaker dollar type stocks, some of the multinationals that would benefit from that. Certainly Obama versus Romney, the big discussion, free money continuing, versus probably some belt tightening here on Romney's end. So if Romney does happen to squeak it out, look perhaps for gold to get hit, certainly some of the other commodity stocks as well. If Obama takes control again, I look for gold to maybe pop back up. We saw some, pretty good end-of-month liquidation last week and this week up till Wednesday on gold. Look for that probably to be unwound going forward here. So I think range-bound until further notice. The market has been virtually unchanged since Labor Day over the past 2.5 months or so. I really look for that market environment to continue. We're, buffered to the upside by slowing growth to negative growth. Earnings certainly not coming in good here. Revenue light to say the least. Buffeted to the downside by that free money that we talked about. So until further notice, I keep harping on it, but range-bound. I'm selling out of the money call spreads on rallies, selling out of the money put spreads on dips. One trade I like here is on Apple. I was kind of a naysayer up around 700. At 580, a little bit different here. Price does matter. I'm again selling out of the money put spreads, using that 545 level as kind of my target buy, protecting by buying the 540 put, bringing in about 65-cent credit for November, about 85 cents for December. Idea here is I have about a 5% downside cushion. I think Apple, given the sell-off, may not rocket up, but I think the downside somewhere around here may be in place, so I'd be a willing buyer somewhere down around 545. So we'll see how the election goes. Until next week, this is Tim Biggam. As always, position size accordingly. Keep those stops in place. Thanks. Bye-bye.